I grew up in a family that loves building hot rods. My dad was one hell of a painter. I worked with him all the time. This led me to an apprenticeship building high-performance vehicles. I've always loved building things and taking pride in my work. So it wouldn't surprise you that I even built my own first car. It was the hardest thing I had ever done, but the most rewarding by far. The constant struggles, the setbacks, and working long hours. To come through all that and just think, wow, I did it. A lot has happened since then. I've worked in the mines, become a Cummins diesel engine specialist, and I even worked as a pyrotechnician, blowing stuff up for fun. And still, I love to build things. There's nothing more rewarding than taking an idea, a concept, and making it become a reality. Taking raw materials and using your own two hands to create anything you can imagine. And that's what this series is all about. Taking my dream projects and making them become a reality. Using my 20 years of technical experience to create some truly epic builds. And for my next dream project, I'm building a jet go-kart.